Okay, tell me why being a mom feels like a full-time juggling act. Between school drop-off, snack requests every 5 minutes, and somehow keeping the house in one piece, I swear time just disappears. But listen, I found some serious game changers that make mom life way easier. Starting with the first must-have that's about to save you so much time and sanity. Let's get into it. The first tip on my best products for busy moms in March is investing in some high-quality meal prep containers. These meal prep sets help you prepare and store meals ahead of time, making these hectic weekday mornings or evenings so much easier. My favorite ones are the ones that are leak-proof, dishwasher safe, and stackable, saving tons of space in the fridge. You prepare once and your meals for the week are completely sorted. Moving on to the next tip, and that is portable chargers and power bank combos. Nothing stresses me out more than my phone battery running on E when I'm juggling 1,000 tasks at once. That's why my next product for my mom's March essentials list is a reliable portable charger and power bank combo. My favorite ones are chargers with multiple devices quickly. It's lightweight enough to slip into my purse or diaper bag and ensures I stay connected, prepared no matter where my busy day takes me. Have you ever tried a portable charger regularly? Comment below. I love to hear your thoughts and your recommendations. The next tip I have for you when it comes to the best products for busy moms in March is grabbing an Instapot Duo Crisp Air Fryer. It's a 2-in-1 powerhouse appliance that saves space, cooks meals rapidly, and offers endless easy dinner possibilities. From crispy air-fried veggies to quick pressure-cooked meals, this dinner tool is honestly an essential for busy moms. It's like having a best friend in spring. The next tip on the products for busy moms in March is a reusable monthly planner board. Moms, this product changed my scheduling game. It's a large, reusable monthly planner board. I stick it in my kitchen wall or in my home office and instantly map out my entire family schedule, appointments, content creation days, and even deadlines. Plus, it's erasable, so it's eco-friendly and has genuinely helped me become way more organized and less overwhelmed. No more forgetting preschool snack days or work deadlines. The next tip on my best products for busy moms in March is a lightweight foldable travel stroller. Last but not least is a lightweight foldable travel stroller. With the weather warming up, you'll likely be outside way more at parks, running errands, or even quick weekend getaways. A stroller that's compact and easy to maneuver and can fold down in seconds for easy storage in your car is a win-win. Trust me, spring outings with your little one will be a million times smoother and less stressful. Now that we've got these must-haves, let's take this a step further because March is nonstop and we all need better systems to stay sane. I just hosted a live session on how to get organized with 5 essential March hacks. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Catch the replay now to learn about my top strategies for streamlining your schedule, keeping your home running smoothly, and actually feeling like you're on top of things this month. And if you're looking for even more time-saving hacks, check out my next video on the easiest seasonal parenting hacks that you need to know right now. It's packed with quick wins to make your days a lot smoother. See you there.